Right, good morning, guys. I'm out and about this morning, just taking a stroll down towards the beach, and I am walking with 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 this lunatic in front of me, basically. Okay. Um, the hotel area is quite a large hotel area, predominantly so. Um, okay. Just walking. We had breakfast already at the hotel, so we don't need to do any breakfast right now. But okay. Beach should be down that side, I think. Yeah. Okay. Right now, we're heading towards the beach. They're still doing a lot of construction here at the moment as well. It is if they're rebuilding after COVID. Okay, I'm gonna come. Okay, all right, you carry on. I'll catch you in a minute. Okay, right. I'll catch you guys in a bit, okay? Bye for now.